Hello, I'm Padraig McPhillips, Drug Substance Manufacturing Head at WuXi Vaccines. WuXi Vaccines and WuXi Biologics are hiring for roles as manufacturing bioprocess associates, as well as scientists and engineers across our manufacturing technology and manufacturing science and technology groups. We will be at the recruit.ie Manufacturing and Supply Chain Careers Expo on Thursday, November the 25th. This is a free event, and the benefits of going virtual means you can log in from anywhere in Ireland and find your ideal job with us. As a CDMO, WuXi Biologics and WuXi Vaccines conduct contract process development and contract manufacturing of life-changing therapeutics and vaccines for our clients. We look forward to meeting you all on Thursday, the 25th of November to discuss your new career with us at WuXi Biologics and WuXi Vaccines.